Hi students, now we are going to learning from polynomial chapter. Okay, so let's find zeros. And one more thing before starting. So already you are watching my videos. So before going to start, you have to subscribe. Anybody not complete? Okay, so like and subscribe. So let's start. See here, find zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, so find zeros means we have to equate this polynomial to 0. Okay, let p of x equal to 0. Okay, so x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So now what are required factors are here? 6 constant into x square coefficient nothing is there 1. Okay, equal to 6 1 is 6. Okay, and here required factors we have to take. The condition is whenever constant symbol plus, you have to add the factors. If we get 5, those are required factors. For example, I am taking 2 3 is 6. Okay, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, so plus or minus or how can you identify? Depend on constant symbol. Whenever constant symbol plus, you have to add. Okay, so now constant symbol plus, now you can add 2 plus 3 5. So that's why these are required factors, 2x comma 3x. Listen carefully, x square. So you write both 2x. I am telling clue here, you can observe this. Whenever constant symbol plus, what is symbol this, you can give to both. Okay, so plus. Okay, whenever minus also, whenever constant symbol plus means you can give this symbol to both. If plus is there, keep plus. If minus is there, keep minus. Are you clear? Right. Now take x common here. X plus 2. Next plus 3 common. X plus 2 equal to 0. Next x plus 2 into, so x plus 2 removed, what is left here? X. So x plus 2 removed, what is left here? Plus 3. Okay, equal to 0. So now equate to 0 separately. X plus 2 equal 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to plus 2 will be minus 2. So x equal to plus 3 will be minus 3. Okay, so answer is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay, next let's find zeros here. So first of all take this let any f of x otherwise p of x is equal to x power of 4 minus 60. Okay, so for getting zeros you have to equate this 0. Okay, so that's why equal to 0. So now x power of 4 minus 16 equal to 0. Now how can you write this is, can we write x square whole square? Yes. So minus this is, we can write 4 square equal to 0. Now you have to fill this is a, this is b. So it is in the form of a square minus b square. You know that a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. According to this formula, how can you write x square plus 4 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Come on, let's equate to 0 separately. X plus 4 equal to 0. Come on. Next, x square minus 4 equal to 0. So x square, so it can be written as, can we write 2 square? Yes, equal to 0. Next, it is again x plus 2 into x minus 2. Otherwise, directly also you can write, no problem. So x square equal to 4. So, okay. So either like this or a plus b into a minus b. You can do any method. Okay. So here x equal to plus or minus root 4. So x equal to plus or minus 2. So otherwise formula method. So x plus 2 into x minus 2. Okay. So equal to 0. So now x equal to plus 2 will be minus 2 and x equal to minus 2 will be plus 2. So either this method, you can take minus 4 will be 4. So x equal to square will be root here. So and plus or minus root of 4. when you are taking square here, immediately you can write plus or minus root, you have to write it. Okay, plus or minus root 4 means 2. Okay, so now, but these are, see here, how can you write this? X plus 4 equal 0 means it is not any formula. So x square equal to minus 4 plus 4 will be, so x equal to plus or minus root minus 4. So now zeros are, these are only. Why? Because x equal minus 2 comma x equal to only zeros. So it is not considered. Why? Because it is not real. It is not real. Okay? It is not real. It is a complex number. We will learn in the intermediate. Okay? So that's why now zeros are only 2 comma minus 2. But you have to write it. Write and you can write down. It is not real. Just write it. Okay? Next. Now we are going to learning a graph. Definitely question will be in the exam. Okay? How to draw? See. Okay? Right. Now draw the graph of, next third bit, first question. Question is, draw the graph of x square minus x minus 12. X square minus x minus 12. Okay? So this graph we have to draw and find zeros from the graph also. Okay. So for this, how can you draw? First of all, you have to list of, otherwise values of. Okay. List of values of x square minus x minus 12. Okay. So take this any p of x. Here, first of all, take a table, draw with pencil, all of you. Okay. Minimum 6 or 8 values you have to take. Okay. Now I am taking 6 values. So this is x, y, x comma y, x comma y. Here, before taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, okay. So first of all, we have to join zeros values first of all. How can you find out the zeros? You can fill up first zeros values. From this, can we get zeros? We can get it. The zeros you have to write first from the factorize. So let's find here. Then only graph will be correct. Okay. So let p of x equal to 0. Okay. Let p of x equal to 0. X square minus x. Whatever problem, you have to find zeros first. Okay. Minus 12 equal to 0. So what are required factors? X square constant minus 12 into x square coefficient 1 minus 12 1 12. Okay, right here. So now x square now required factors 3 4 12. Okay, symbol later let's think. And whenever constant symbol minus, you have to subtract 4 minus 3 1. X square coefficient 1. Are you getting? Yes. Write just lastly. X square minus 1 into x, can we write? Minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Now see here. Whenever constant symbol minus, you have to subtract roots. Okay. 4 minus 3 1 is x square x coefficient. Are you getting? So always remember, so whenever constant symbol minus, you have to do subtraction. whenever constant symbol plus, you have to add this. Okay, so then in both situations you have to get x coefficient, either minus or plus, you have to get x coefficient. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని యాడ్ చేస్తే x కోఎఫిషియంట్ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ సింబల్ మైనస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని మైనస్ చేస్తే x కోఎఫిషియంట్ రావాలి. అంటే ప్రతి ఈ రెండిట్లో ప్లస్ ఉన్నా మైనస్ ఉన్నా మనం ఇక్కడ సింప్లిఫై చేసిన వాల్యూ x కోఎఫిషియంట్ కంపల్సరీ రావాలి. వస్తేనే దోస్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. ఓకే, అంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్ వేసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, నౌ సీ హియర్, ఇప్పుడు మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏం చేయాలి, మైనస్ చేయాలి. సో 4 - 3 1 వచ్చిందా, 1 చూడండి, ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 1 వచ్చేసింది. సో నౌ ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇవి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అనమాట. 1 వచ్చేసింది కాబట్టి 4 - 3 1 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఈ రెండింటివి రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. 3x, 4x ఇక్కడ రాసేసుకున్నాం. 3x రాయండి ఫస్ట్, 3x 4x -12. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది. ఈ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ అంటే 1 × x, ఈ మిడిల్ టర్మ్ సింబల్ని బిగ్ నెంబర్కి పెట్టాలి, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకేనా, ఈ సింబల్ ఏం తీసుకెళ్ళాలి, బిగ్ దాన్ని పెట్టేసి ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్ దీన్ని పెట్టేసాలి. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ పెట్టాం, దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ సింబల్ ఏంటి, ప్లస్. ఈ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఫాలో అయితే డెఫినెట్లీ యూ గెట్ కరెక్ట్ జీరోస్ మిస్టేక్ అయిందంటే గ్రాఫ్ మొత్తం రాంగ్ అవుతుంది, డెఫినెట్లీ మార్క్స్ విల్ బి కట్. కాబట్టి ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్ పక్కా ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ వచ్చిందంటే మీకు గ్రాఫ్ వచ్చేసినట్టే. ఓకేనా, సో నా టేక్ ఎక్స్ కామన్, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ రిమూవ్ 3 లెఫ్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ -4 కామన్, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 3 ఎస్ 4 3 12. సో ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 3 కామన్, ఇక్కడ x plus 3 రిమూవ్, x left, here -4 left. Okay, equal to 0. So now x plus 3 equal to 0, comma x minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so now x equal to plus 3 will be -3, x equal to -4 will be +4. So now your graph touching x-axis at these two places. So that's why you have to join these two values in the table first. So -3 4, you have to write first these 3, -3 4. Okay, remaining your choice. Your choice means you have to take nearest values -3 and 4. Okay, what you have to take, one is 0 you can take, next to 2 you can take, -2, 1, like this you have to take. So but don't take, if take any value means if you take 25, so like this time in this situation you will get problem to taking scale problem will be. So nearest values you have to take here. Okay na, right. Now let's fill up when x equal to -3, what is y value. Okay, so see here already we decide these are zeros, no need simplify. Whenever these zeros, y value no doubt 0. Okay, -3 comma 0, these two are zeros now. From this we have taken these are zeros, so that's why, so x -3 is 0, so that's why y value will be 0, no need subtracting, substituting. Okay, directly you can write that. So this is also when x equal to 4 0, so y value will be 0, so that's why 4 comma 0. Okay, remaining only you have to simplify. Okay, when x equal to 0, what is y value, you have to do here. Okay, right side, so simplify and join in the table. Okay, so right now x equal to 4, it x equal to 4 completed, now 0. Okay, so what is y value, let's take this y. Okay, y equal to, in the place of x 0 you have to substitute 0 square -0 -12. Okay, both are 0, so -12. So y equal to what, this is -12. Okay, next when x equal to 2, it x equal to 2. What is y value, y equal to 2 square -2 -12. So 2 square 4 minus 2 minus 12. Okay. So 4. So both minus, keep minus 2 and 12 14. So 4 minus 14 big minus 14 minus 4 10. So this is minus 10. Okay. So next, when x equal to minus 2, what is y value? When x equal to minus 2, at x equal to minus 2. So y equal to, where is x? Keep minus 2. X minus 2. Substitute minus 2 whole square minus of x means minus 2. Okay. So next minus 12. So now power even, minus will be plus 2 square 4. Next minus 2 minus plus 2 minus 12. 4 plus 2 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12 big minus 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay. So you have to fill up here minus 6. Now let's do x equal to 1. Let's substitute here. If x equal to 1, what is y value? Substitute here in the place of x 1. 1 square minus 1 minus 12. Okay. 1 minus 1 minus 12. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Minus 12. Okay. So this is minus 12. Now let's write all solutions. How can you write it? X comma y. Now x 0 comma minus 12 like this. Okay. So next 2 comma minus 10. Next minus 2 comma minus 6. Next 1 comma minus 12. Now let's draw the graph. Okay. నేను ఇక్కడ graph draw చేస్తా and I will write these solutions all here. So now let's draw the graph. Okay. So I am taking all this minus 3 comma 0. Next 4 comma 0. Next 0 comma minus 12. Next 2 comma minus 10. Next minus 2 comma minus 6. Next 1 comma minus 12. Now let's draw the graph. Okay. Right, see here. So first in the graph only, graph paper you have to draw. Take y-axis and x-axis. Okay. Horizontal line is called as x-axis. Vertical line is called as y-axis. Okay. Now here we have to take values. So depend on this. You have to see here x values, what is highest negative, what is positive negative, you have to see. First number minus 3, 4 and minus 2, minus 1. It lies between only 4 minus 4. So okay. Just extra also take, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So negative value, we need 12 here. So that's why we have to move up also. Why? Because here y value negative is, what is y value negative is minus 12. Minus 12, minus 10. So in this situation, we have to take this here. No problem. So in your graph also. Okay na? So that's why I am taking, just taking upside. So like this you can rub with the pencil. So now also we can adjust. So we need negative part very much. Okay. So that's why I am taking here. No problem. So whenever need you positive part of x-axis most, then you have to take y-axis here. Okay na? Whenever negative of x-axis you need so many values are there. So then you have to move this here. Okay na? అలా మూవ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అంతేగాని స్ట్రైట్గా ఎప్పుడు ఇట్లే ఉండాలి, కరెక్ట్ స్ట్రైట్ ఉండాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదన్న. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్కువ పార్ట్ ఇక్కడ అవసరం ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నాకు ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ నెగిటివ్ పార్ట్ వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, ఇలా తీసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, సో లేదు నాకు y వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అన్నప్పుడు మనం ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఇలా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, సో నెగిటివ్ పార్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది y యాక్సిస్వి, ఇలా మనం మూవ్ చేసేది ఇలా తీసేసుకోవచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే మన గ్రాఫ్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్కి ఇలా ట్రిక్ ఫాలో అయితేనే మీకు సఫిషియెంట్ ప్లేస్ని మీరు యూజ్ చేసుకోవద్దు. సో లేదనుకో కరెక్ట్ నేను సెంటర్లోనే తీసుకుంటా కావాలని అంటే రాదు. ఓకేనా, సో ఇలా యూ కెన్ ఫాలో దీస్ సజెషన్స్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మనకి నెగిటివ్ y వాల్యూస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి నేను ఇది మూవ్ చేసేసాను ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, సో కమాన్, సో దిస్ ఇస్ 0 x axis, x dash, this is y, right? So first let's take x values. In the graph only we have to draw. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So like this keep, no need. Right here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Okay, if you take extra places there, take one extra, no problem. Okay, right. Next, y value, positive values what are? So no, all are negative, 0, minus, 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 minus. So that's why you take some values as your wish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enough. Now let's plot these points on the graph. Okay, so take here also some values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, enough. Okay, remaining keep like this. Right, let's plot. Okay, come on, first -3, 0. So somebody getting doubt how to plot. Okay, take this first x, y. X -3. Where is x -3? Keep your finger, -3. Y 0. Y 0 always on the x axis. That's why here only. Okay, keep like this. Keep star. Next 4, 0. 4, 0. X 4. This is. Okay, y 0 here only. Right? Next 0, -12. X 0, 0, -12. -12 means here. Okay, have you understood? X 0, y -12. Y -12 means here. Next 2, -10. X 2. Okay, y -10. Y -10. Y -10. Okay, so now next -2, -6. X -2. Where is x -2? Here. -6. Negative -6 down. Okay, like this. Okay, next 1 -12. X 1. Okay, y -12. Y negative part down. Y -12. -12 here. Okay, straightly. Straight 1. Okay, right. In the graph you definitely will get it accurately. Here maximum approximately will come, no doubt. Now let's join with free hand. Don't use scale. Okay, so come on, let's join. Point to point you have to join. So take like this extra also, no problem. Okay, like extra also you can take. So this is the graph of a given quadratic polynomial. See here, the graph intersecting x-axis at -3 and 4. So these are zeros. So from the graph, the graph intersects, the graph intersects x-axis at, where are intersecting? minus 3 comma 0. Next 4 comma 0. Okay. So therefore zeros are where is graph intersecting? Those are zeros. Okay. Minus 3 comma. Simply if you have to write first from the graph zeros are minus 3 comma 4. Enough if you get any problem. So you have to write must. Okay. So from the graph zeros are minus 3 comma 4. Minus 3 comma 4. This is. Okay. Next to finally justification also you have. From the graph okay these are. But from the factorize also these are zeros you have to prove. So that is justification. Okay. So justification. So when you are doing in the one side, so other side, so the graph two sides will be no. Here graph you can do. Here you have to do simplified. Okay. Come on. After table of solutions, do here downside justification. Okay. Justification. Not in the graph. Justification. Simple justification means, so what is given p of x you can write. P of x equal to x square minus x minus x minus 12 equal to 0 we have to take. Why? Because getting zeros. Okay. So now let also you have to take. Let p of x equal to 0. Now x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So factorize just now only we discussed now. So what is required factors here? 3 and 4. These are required. Okay. First I said 3x 4x you can write. Whenever constant symbol minus, you can give this symbol to big number. Opposite symbol to small number. This is minus, opposite symbol plus. Minus 12 equal to 0. So take x common, x removed plus 3 minus 4 common. So here x minus 2 minus plus 4 3 equal to 0. So now x plus 3 common. When you get same x plus 3, your splitting middle term is right. Whenever not same these two, your splitting is something wrong, you have to move back and correction it yourself. Okay. So right now x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0 means x equal plus 3 will be minus 3. Okay. So next x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 4 will be plus 4. See here from the graph also minus 3 next to 4. So this is the justification you have to verify. Okay. From the graph minus 3 4 and from the factorize also minus 3 4 you have to verify like this. Okay. Then you will get maximum marks. I hope you understood this graph. All the best to everybody. Definitely will be given in the annual exam. Okay. Okay. So don't forget, if you understood this video, you have to like and subscribe and share to your friends also. Thank you.